Hey guys, so in this video I'm working on getting this entire bike torn apart because we are getting ready to go to powder. So I work on all of the finish welding on the frame that I can't get to while it was assembled. We finished up some tabs. I make some tabs here for the end of the frame to blend them, and we're just getting this thing ready. So it's going to go to powder this week, and from there it's going to start taking shape as a completed finished bike. So anyway, enjoy the video. After some heavy lifting, motor's out. Looking good up on the bench. I'm looking forward to getting this all cleared off and then having a nice clean surface to tear this thing down on. So now I've made up my list. I have a bunch of stuff like final welding, as I've mentioned, finishing, maybe make a bracket or two, but the final stuff before this thing goes down a bare frame, and then we'll send it off. Oh yeah, just moving stuff around. Everything's looking good. Can't wait to finish this thing up. Little organized chaos here. Made a lot of progress on the frame today. Almost got my entire list knocked out of different stuff to fabricate and weld on the frame, except for my cowl mount. So that's 2 tabs and drilling 3 holes. So I'm almost there, and then the frame is done. So did some silica bronze, got the tray finished up on the underside here, and then the bead here, as you saw. And then I also did the ends of the frame here. I just looped those, capped them off, you know, trimmed them back, capped them off, and then blended them. So those will be less, you know, or more visually pleasing, I should say. But yeah, all the tabs are welded on this thing, and you know, obviously the bike's disassembled. The next thing I will do also, talking with an engineer friend today, and I'm gonna add a little brace on the swing arm here. Just a little added support, and then beyond that, we're off to powder. So I'm looking forward to that. My friend's handling kickstand pivot and pin for it, and yeah, I have the entire bike in pieces up there, and then trying to keep everything clean down here. So once we get things off to powder, I'm probably going to bring in another project real quick and knock out some other jobs, and then beyond that, you know, I'll work on getting this thing back to a roller as fast as I can, so it takes up less space. But yeah, I'm excited. It's been a long day, and I'm gonna go in and call it a night. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video.